Just like Spider-Man, some cops seem to possess a sixth sense when it comes to spotting drivers who've been drinking.
Okay, give me some backup. I need some help getting him off the road.
A bit of unsteady steering was all it took to convince this cop that the driver of the blue Chevy was bladdered.
Okay, he's not stopping, Atlanta. I'm gonna have to force him over before he hits somebody.
The cop's suspicion over this driver's sobriety begins to grow when instead of stopping, he just tries to floor it.
Give me some help. Okay, I'm getting him over an emergency.
And his suspicion is finally confirmed when he asks the driver to pull over, only to receive a barrage of gibberish as a response.
Pull over. What?
The cop now knows this guy has to be stopped before he causes a serious accident.
Okay, he's trying to run on me now. He's getting off on the loop.
But he never gets the chance because at the very next junction, the Chevrolet driver destroys any doubt that he was in a fit state to drive by ploughing through a red light and into the path of crossing traffic.
Give me an ambulance down here. Give me an ambulance, Atlanta.
It's nothing short of a miracle that everyone involved in the crash survived, and the cop's hunch was proved correct when it was found that the driver's blood contained traces of alcohol, petrol, and lighter fluid. Two of those aren't true.